Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how to change email on Flipboard. But guys, before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First step, of course, you have to open your Flipboard apps on your phone. And now tap on your profile icon in the bottom right of your screen. Now tap on Add a Profile Bio. In this page, you will see the change email, and now you just have to tap on it. Well, you can see my current email. Now I'm gonna type my new email that I wanna change to. After that, you just have to type your Flipboard password. And if you're done, tap on Save in the top right in the corner of your screen. And yeah, now your email is already changed. You can see it here. Well guys, that's it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will helpful. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck!